This is heel raises off a step. So you just need one step, and I would highly recommend a railing. You could also have a railing on each side. That's totally fine for safety, but at least one. And to get set up, you're just going to stand on the edge of the step. So the ball of each foot is going to be placed on the edge of the step. One hand at least on a railing for safety. You're standing with great posture, bracing your abdominals just a little bit, and we're ready for the exercise. You can perform this with no shoes on. You can also perform this with shoes on if you feel safer doing it that way. I will add that you'll probably be able to move your ankles through a greater range of motion, and you'll be able to affect your soft tissue in your calves to a greater degree, to a greater length, if you do this with no shoes on. But safety first, so if you want to wear your shoes, that is totally fine. What you're going to do first is allow your heels to drop below the level of the step and pause for just a second when you've reached the point of where you feel a good stretch, whether it's on your Achilles tendons or the calves, the back of the lower legs, and then you're going to press up onto your tippy toes, and then we're going to drop down again. So that's one repetition, and then press up. We're just going to pause for maybe 1 to 2 seconds at the bottom and at the top, and we're moving at a pace that's steady and controlled. So you don't want to fly through this. I really want you to feel a nice solid contraction at the top and a little bit of a good stretch at the bottom. And this is your heel raises off of a step.